Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove the Bitnami corner banner from WordPress on Google Cloud. Before we get started, make sure you have already installed the Bitnami version of WordPress on Google Cloud Compute Engine, and that you have logged into your Google Cloud Console dashboard. Let's get started. Click on the navigation menu icon in the upper left corner from your Google Cloud dashboard. Scroll down. Click on Compute Engine, and then click on Virtual Machines. Click on the SSH link, next to the instance you have just deployed to open a terminal. Copy the command line from step 4 below and paste it into your SSH terminal and then hit the Enter key to disable the banner. For the changes to take effect, copy and paste the command line from step 5 below into your SSH terminal and hit the Enter key to restart Apache. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled the Bitnami corner banner for your WordPress website. Go ahead and open your website in a new browser tab to view the updated changes. That's it. Drop your comment below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages for updates as they are posted. Thanks for watching.